What if I told you one instant noodle became a habit across an entire country? Not just popular, but almost default. Walk into any store, ask for noodles, and chances are you'll hear one name: Maggi. But that didn't happen overnight, and the story behind it is actually very smart.
Maggi, owned by Nestle, entered India in the 1980s. But here's the problem. Instant noodles weren't a thing. Indian households preferred fresh, hot meals. So Maggi didn't try to replace meals. It positioned itself as something else, a quick snack. And that's where the famous line came in: 2-minute noodles. It wasn't just about speed. It was about convenience. Kids loved it. Parents found it easy. And slowly, it entered homes. Not as food, but as a quick fix. And that small positioning shift changed everything.
Maggi didn't stop there. It spread everywhere. Small shops, big stores, cities, villages. At one point, it held over 70 to 80% market share in India's instant noodle category. That's dominance. And once something becomes easy, accessible, and familiar, it becomes a habit. People didn't compare brands, they just picked Maggi. Over time, noodles and Maggi almost became the same thing. But then, everything stopped. In 2015, Maggi was banned across India over safety concerns. Shelves were empty, production stopped, and for a moment, it looked like the brand was finished. But something unexpected happened. People wanted it back, not because they needed noodles, but because they missed Maggi. Within months after clearance, it returned and quickly regained its position. That's not just popularity, that's emotional connection. Maggi didn't win because it was the best. It won because it became the easiest, the most available, and the most familiar. And when a product becomes a habit, it stops competing. So next time you eat noodles, think about it. Are you choosing Maggi or just continuing a habit that started years ago?